9 habits you must break to become your best self. Number 1, comparison. It diminishes your self-worth, perpetual dissatisfaction, unrealistic expectations. Try this 5 minutes gratitude practice to your morning routine. Write down 3 things unique to your situation that you're thankful for. Number 2, perfectionism. It leads to procrastination, burnout, missed opportunities. Use the 80-20 rule. Focus on 20% of work that delivers 80% of the value. Ship it when it is good enough. Number 3, complaining. It rewires your brain for negativity, drains your energy, repels opportunities. You can use the rubber band technique. Wear a band on your wrist and gently snap it whenever you catch yourself complaining. Immediately, positive observation will come in. Number 4, self-doubt. It stops you from before you start, makes you question your abilities, keeps you playing small. Try and create an evidence journal where you document all your wins, compliments and successes. Review it when your doubt creeps in. Number 5, procrastination. It isn't about laziness. It just delays the tasks that trigger anxiety, uncertainty and boredom. Try this 5-minute rule. Commit to just 3 minutes of work, okay, or 5 minutes of work task. Once started, you're likely to continue. Number 6, people pleasing. It erodes your boundaries, creates resentment, dilutes your authenticity. Practice saying, "Let me think about it" before committing. Give yourself permission to put your needs first. Number 7, multitasking. It isn't a superpower, but research shows each task switch costs you valuable mental energy, reduce focus quality, up to 40% productive time. Number 8, comfort. Staying comfortable leads to stagnation, missed opportunities, regret. The comfort zone is where dreams go to die. Use 85% rule. Learning happens when you're challenged at about 85% of your capacity. Find the edge daily. Number 9, quitting. Quitting perpetually or prematurely reinforces self-doubt, creates a pattern of incompletion, robs you of hard-earned momentum. Create accountability by committing 100 rupees to a friend. If you quit before reaching your defined milestone, then keep the money.